Hey there, everyone. I'm thrilled to share another fantastic product with you. This one really stood out to me, and I think you're going to love it. First, let's talk about the design. It's sleek, modern, and super eye-catching. The best part? It's incredibly affordable. I couldn't believe the price when I saw it. High quality and stylish products like this usually cost way more. On top of that, it's super versatile, perfect for your home, office, or as a thoughtful gift. It's functional and looks amazing wherever you put it. Check out the details in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss my latest reviews.